Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a custom block, and you'll be making your first typewriter script. You'll see what it does later on a video. So and you just click on options. You need to click on the screen input so you can put more things in. Just type in what to to say and texts again with Typewriter Script. So just press OK, and you'll find this new hat here. So I'll teach you how to do it now. And you need to make a variable called item. You can make it a cloud variable if you want, but you don't have to. And click OK. You don't need to see it, so just hide variable and set item to 1. And you just get a repeat block here, put it here, but we don't need to put in a number or else it won't really work. So take the length and put what you say here. You can drag and multiple of these inputs, but you can like drag a ton of them and they won't run out. It's really awesome, but we don't need that much. So repeat length of what you say, and you also need to make a list. So what to say. Oh, we need first part only. And we also need to hide it. Hide list what to say. Well, you can show it if you want. You don't really need to hide it. This like I want to put you there. So let's put the cat there. How about there? Okay. So we can, and then just put this thing in. You need to first put add letter and take the item here, item of what you say. And this will be your first one, and then get a say. Don't use the say whatever for whatever seconds, but I'll explain how. Because if you use that, if you use this, it'll take very long for the cat to say everything you want to say, and you'll see what it does later. And if you do it now, you'll regret it later. And you just drag this in, so it'll say everything in the list. And now we need to change item by 1, so it can, like, if I type in hello, it'll say H and then E and then L. It'll say H and then HE and then HEL and then HELL and then HELO. So it's pretty cool, and we don't need that there. You can drag this here, and you can put like say what you say for 2 seconds at the end and stop all. Oh, and you also need to put wait 0.09 seconds, or else it'll go too fast and it won't be a very cool animation. So you just put this thing in. You don't need to have you don't need to use this script. Okay, guys, this is just an example one. You can use this, but you don't really need to do this. You can add this to whatever you want. So let's use this and ask, what should should I say? Too much spaces there. I'm not very good at typing, but what should I say? And then say enter with Typewriter Script. So we just save it now. Let's make it full screen. So let's start. What should I say? Hello world. Look, it's pretty cool. And you can see the things here. So it's just hello world here. You can hide that if you want, but and then wait, we shouldn't have stop all. So let's save that. Don't put in stop all or else it won't really work. If you put in stop all, your project will stop and it can't. The person needs to click the green flag and restart. So hello world. Let's type a lot of stuff like hello. Wait, can I Control C? Let's type in a lot. Hello world. Hello. Let's take a lot of hellos. It looks like someone's typing this thing in, so it's pretty cool. You can use this in your project, and I don't really care. It's too much, I think. How much did I put in? Hello world, hello world, hello. This, that's a lot of hellos. What should I say? Wait. I also forgot something. You need to do less. If you don't do less, this script won't work. Sorry, I forgot. So, wait, I need to. Oops. You need to delete, repeat length of what you say, and I use this instead of delete all of what you say because it's a better animation. Looks cool. And save now. So what should I say? Nothing. Psst. Nothing. It's creepy. I think it's a bit too slow. If you like, let's just use delete all. Sorry guys. I like the animation of this, but it's too okay. It's good now. If you put too much here, it'll go super slow. So, what should I say? What should I say? I am really awesome. I'm really awesome. I am really awesome. And done. Well, let's set it to. Well, if you want to use this, if you want to use this in a video and you want to hide your voice, you can just put this to full screen and click the check box here. Well, let's just hide. Wait, I'm going to show it. They just make him go X. X 0 Y 0. We'll just go here. Oh, that's right. How about -70? That's better. So just put that there. I just make this smaller and save now. Let's test it more. Let's type in I am well, I don't think so, but sorry guys, but let's stop here because I only have like a few seconds left before I need to stop recording. Yes, Screencastify Live only lets me have 10 minutes, so goodbye. See you on my next episodes.